In question 27, we're asked to work out 35% of 320. Now this symbol here is the percent symbol, per cent. And this simply means out of 100. With this question, what you need to know is how to work out 10%. And the rule is quite simple. You take your number and you divide by 10. But we have 35%, so we need 5% as well. So how do you think we're going to work out 5%? It's half of 10%, so we can work out 10% and then halve it or divide it by 2. So let's write that down. You divide the number by 10, then you divide it by 2. Now, if you can learn these two rules, it makes working out percentages much easier. So let's write this number down here, 320. And we want to work out 10%. Now, because this is a whole number and it ends in 0, finding out 10% is easy. You simply cross off the 0. So we end up with 32. So I'm going to write 10% equals 32. But I want 35%. So I need to add another 10%. Which is another 32, and another 10%, which is another 32. So I have 10, 20, 30, but I want 35. Now I need to work out 5%. So first step, I need to divide this number by 10, and we said that was 32. And then the second step is to take this number and divide it by 2 or halve it. So let's divide that by 2. I like to write this as a fraction, 32 over 2. Because I can use the bus shelter. So it's raining and 32 is getting wet. So I'm going to build a bus shelter. And the 32 goes inside to stay dry. So this 2 has to go outside. Now I'm ready. How many 2's are there in 3? There's one lot of 2, remainder 1. And the remainder gets carried over to the next column. So now we have 12 here. Half of 12 is 6. So our answer is 16. So 5% is 16. So altogether I have 10, 20, 30, 5%. And now I need to carefully add up these numbers. So 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 2 is 6, plus 6 is 12. So now I put the 2 here, and I carry the 1 over to the next column. 3 add 3 is 6, add 3 is 9, plus the 1 is 10, and this 1 that I've carried over makes it 11. So I put the 1 in this column, and I carry the 1 over to the next column. And I can write that down because we've finished. So our answer is 112. So 35% of 320 is 112.